facial nerve is the nerve of second pharyngeal arch. It consists of two roots and two genu. The roots are motor root and the sensory root. At the pontomedullary junction, the motor root is medial and the sensory root is lateral. The sensory root is also called as nervus intermedius. It lies near the eighth nerve, that is vestibulocochlear. The motor root supplies the muscles derived from second pharyngeal arch, while the sensory root carries the taste sensations from anterior two-thirds of tongue and also from palate. The sensory root also carries preganglionic parasympathetic fibers for the pterygopalatine and submandibular ganglions. The facial nerve in its course shows two bends called as genu, one internal genu inside the pons and another external genu which is outside, means it is in the facial canal, that is outside the brain. This is the transverse section of lower pons, this is the ventral side, this is dorsal side, this is the motor nucleus of facial nerve. The facial nerve begins from the motor nucleus and passes dorsomedially and curves around the abducent nucleus and then passes forwards and laterally. So, this is the internal bend, it is called as internal genu. The abducent nucleus curved by the internal genu of facial nerve produces a swelling called as facial colliculus. The facial colliculus lies in the floor of fourth ventricle. The floor of fourth ventricle is called as rhomboid fossa. So, in the median eminence above the stria medullaris, the oval swelling belongs to facial colliculus. So, in the initial course, the facial nerve passes backwards, although it supplies the muscles of face, and this phenomenon is called as neurobiotaxis. There are only two cranial nerves which shows neurobiotaxis. One is facial nerve and second is the fourth cranial nerve, that is trochlear nerve. After coming out from the pontomedullary junction, the facial nerve enters in internal acoustic meatus and then it enters in the facial canal. This is the facial canal. It ends at stylomastoid foramen which lies between styloid process and the mastoid process. The facial canal consists of three parts. The first part passes laterally above the vestibule of internal ear. The second part is horizontal, it passes backwards above the medial wall of middle ear, and the third part passes vertically downwards. It is at the junction of medial and posterior walls of the middle ear. At the junction of first and second part, the facial nerve shows another bend which is called as external genu. As it is outside the brain, it is called as external genu. And at this junction, the facial nerve shows a swelling which is called as geniculate ganglion. So, the facial nerve shows two bends, internal genu and external genu.